woman too, so stop tweaking. Yeah. Everything she got on her own. Never needed nobody else. Now she all alone. Got her own car, crib, job. Yeah, she real grown. If you need some company, then just hit my phone. I will.
Okay, y'all already know the drill. Everything is already done. Now we're just gonna get started with this makeup look. I can't remember what kind of look I did last time. I don't know. But anyway, I don't know what look I'm going for this time either. Okay, I never know, but that's what makes all this fun, you feel me? So I'm gonna go in with my 35U palette, and I think I'm gonna go in with this color first. Yeah, let's try this. I'm going with this color first, and then yeah. And this one I'm not gonna talk in this video. I'm gonna go fast forward. Okay. So excuse my voice. Oh, it's itchy. But this is the finished look. And I did not know what I was going to do for this look, but yeah. This is what I came up with. At first I wanted to just the glitter to be like in the middle, like a, you know, I needed to like strips down, but I ain't there yet. I can't do all of that, so I have to do what I could do. Okay, not trying to do too much, but yeah. So this is the finished look, and I'm feeling it. I'm feeling it. And this lip gloss, I got this from Target. It is Revlon. In the color Sky Pink 207. Yeah, I got this from Target. At first I thought I was like, it's a little too light for me, so I just mixed it with my regular gloss, and it gets like this like nudie pink color, and I like it. So yeah, so this is the look. And yeah, again, I didn't know what I was gonna do, and all the colors I used are from the Morphe 35U palette. So yeah, let me know how y'all feel about this look. And then I want to shuffle my pink wig. No, I ain't gonna do it. No, I ain't gonna do whatever. But yeah, so this is the look. And yeah, the only thing I don't know how to do is clean up, like, cause when my eyes are regular, the glitter gets on this top part, so I don't know how to clean that up or how to prevent that from happening. So if y'all got any like tips on how to do that without having to do your whole face over again or mess up all your makeup, just comment below and let me know, because yeah, that's something I don't know how I need to learn how to do. And y'all, it really be like a hit or miss when it comes, like, my lashes be getting everywhere. The glue be getting everywhere. It just be all wrong. But yeah, this is the finished look. These are my Glam lashes. Again, like I said in the other video, my lashes are out of stock. They sold out, and that's what I wanted to do before I buy some more lashes. So I will be buying some more lashes. And yes, thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to comment below some tips and things like that. Yeah, don't forget to comment below some tips. But thank you for watching, and see y'all next time. Bye.
So start tweaking, yeah. Everything she got on her own.